right, welcome back. Now, one 40 years old Melbourne, Australian woman, now she don't enter inside called the answer question. Why? Because she do touchlighting with her child, 12 years old son, for a period of 5 months. They say now she go spend 6 years for inside prison after she give birth to the baby, to the boy child. Now you can imagine, she did pregnant for her son, 12 years old friend. 12 years old. Now you're going to need to understand what the court actually come outside talk. The court, when they give her a sentence, the angry judge tell her these words. He said, you fail to recognize, say, your feelings for the boy, saying they completely inappropriate. He said, you commence and you continue an abusive sexual relationship. He said, you don't allow your physical and emotional urge overcome what should have been the proper adult response. So because of that one, you're going to need to go spend some time for inside prison. Now, what they don't tell this woman, 40 years old woman, we sleep with 12 years old Pekin, we be our son friend. Now, our son friend. Our son friend now.
Okay, the woman day 40, her son day 12. Though the 12-year-old son to get a 12-year-old friend.
So now her son mates.
More like,
son,
more or less.
Yes. Our son friend. 12 years old friend of the son. Now in this woman go sleep. Now at this age, I think say this woman, we go blame her. Or like how we always talk, you go blame her on being lonely.
You don't answer the question. I just feel saying that loneliness nine caused this one. But the loneliness, why not push her go meet her own son?
Now what's now
wickedness to me. Loneliness and wickedness. So she don't know how to express the loneliness. Maybe now, you know, say for that side, some of them they go break up, but the husband go they stay across the street because he say one day part of the life of his children. We don't see cases like go say only one stay across the street, then you they decide so that. But she no one bring another man inside. Why? Maybe because he they pay child support and all that. So she they feel say, you know what? If I try to bring in man into the matter, the man no go they pay. No, some of them they like that. Then again, the second part, I they think. She just lost for the boy. She want to experiment. It just
12
like
years old.
Wait, now those Benin boys will sleep with grandma.
Not be only Benin boys. Queen B, take it easy.
Early this year, when they thought they just want, imagine how old woman be.
Oh
you understand?
God.
So I think I don't know. I don't
Forget
understand.
the ones who go rape nuns. We thought they want us to be to rape nuns.
Yeah, you don't see a lot.
Wow.
Well, anyway, for this matter, in fact, the judge well, he talk well, but the now only one thing I know here for the story. As she did that prison, no, they say psychologists go meet her because one note could don't come from my head. Now, I believe with that. Simple. I don't know if you talk too much on top of this matter.
Me, I don't blame this one on loneliness. So I blame him on irresponsibility on the woman part. Because he gets some kind of things. Most times, I always they feel, say, if you want to do something, you go first think how you go feel if person do them to you. She get picking of that same age. What thing she go do if the person, the picking where she follow now, that one mama, they follow her own picking. This is not correct case of cradle snatching. She don't thief that boy childhood away. They don't experience thing where you say he not supposed to experience at that age with her for that matter. And for me, I even feel say the judge no judge well. The sentence supposed long past waiting then give her.
Because of the newborn baby, they need to.
Then she born the picking that she serve her
I
time.
me say try say
Because even if now maybe the judge, I not go even leave that picking with her. On the other hand, sir, we don't even know whether she don't even molest her own children. Because person when you do that one to another person picking, how sure we say you know if you do them to your own picking. Don't do with the picking run go school, find freedom. Now
No, but they do DNA. The parents
one.
of the boy, I think they do DNA tests according to story as they go. They can't discover saying the boy at 12. The boy
No doubt say no be the boy, but me now I dey talk say, what if she don't actually molest her own picking? Or maybe this not be the first where she
don't do
follow.
them to. Just like now this one.
Anything is possible for me, man. The woman like Maka talk, they need to evaluate her brain because I don't feel say they okay. Like the judge talk now, something where be say you suppose they use your brain, they think and say this feeling now inappropriate feeling. Person of 40-year-old, waiting happen now. Even 20-year-old, if I catch you with 12-year-old, I go wipe you koboko where.
I tell you, you can imagine 12 years. I can imagine waiting the parents go they feel. Some people they blame them on the kind way that Oyibo they grow. Like say tomorrow, no, they like you go see it 11 years old, 11-year-old big past you. You go see 10 years old,
like
big past you. And they grow like say tomorrow, not day. But when they talk, no snap picking. Yes, I don't want to use that one as an excuse. But really, this
for that
woman,
kind of moments, they don't need talk.
As in this.
When a rich man and woman matter, the talk
be-
say, when you
I beg-
talk like a baby is better.
I watched one film. I watched one film with Jennifer Lopez. This guy now 3 times our age for the film.
Okay,
3.
what's
No,
the
but
name
leave
of
J-Lo now. Even in real life, the guy is not that.
It happen real. I won't
Even
tell
in her
you.
own real life, just leave that one alone.
Oh, she they do it in real life.
Oh no, leave her.
But what I want to try bring out from inside that one be say sometimes you're easily carried away by how young and youthful these particular guys be, and then just because maybe you know they get something from your husband, you go start to look at that particular small child as a sexual figure for you to start to do badness. And you
fresh young blood.
They make them young. We don't treat on top this show.
So now what the woman feel they think.
And that's not why the courts they there to bring their senses back in order. So when you spend 6 years for inside prison, next time when you come outside, you see young people.
years.
Isha, if you see 40-year-old as a den, she go dey run.
You go run. All right, moving on. This particular story, not be story we actually sweet us at all, because last Friday at about 7 a.m., Kazim Olajide in do waiting in poison a 41 days old baby, Zainab Olajide. Now, why in poison am? They say now because in the attempt to divorce in wife. Now, this incident so happened for inside Ogun State. See the man and see the baby. You can imagine things that happen for this world. They say it happened for inside Ogun State, and the land say the mother, Abosede Ogundare, say she leaves Zainab with Kazim, will be her husband, to sweep the compound, only to come back, meet the baby with foam they come up from the baby mouth. Now, even one resident who identified himself as Biodun talk say Kazim be they threatening to divorce his wife before the baby untimely death. Now, they don't go court on top of this matter. Even police don't come arrest them. And we hear say the Sokumbi, will be the Oba of Ijoko Lemode. Yes.
Area folk.
Yes, he come outside talk say Kazim don't actually attest to the fact say Naim actually poisoned this a 41 days old pikin. And in the talk say now the devil push him to poison his own pikin. Now with the hear stories of stepfather, stepmother, neighbor do this, but not father decide to poison his own pikin, all because he want divorce in wife. I beg, what do you think about this one? No, what do you feel they as in say what do you feel say they happen to the world who we dey in now? This morning we read them for papers of a young 16 years old we come out intestine of a 4 years old baby.
I actually know if he's sleep.
What is the world turning into really?
We just talk divorce finish. I talk to some people they find films use different reasons to come out of marriage. The particular one now, I don't even know what I want to talk about them because I see the thing and say, but the pikin na him own now. I be no be him own.
No, he be not they talk say the pikin no be his own.
Oh, he no
So
sure.
you come outside talk say pikin not being young.
No, he just they try cover up now. They try cover up because according to the story,
because if the pikin na him own, I don't think say well. If he craze, now make and kill the pikin. But
yeah,
if na him
confirm the matter.
But if na him pikin go, I don't think say he go fit sit down, carry 41-day-old child, poison him, make he throw it because he want divorce him mama. That one no be excuse enough for me. I not see he get all that either the pikin no be his own, and if you say the wife dey so me outside, now he make it feel say he go kill this pikin, make the wife for confess say no be you kill or something because he just dey very very stupendous for my head. It don't just make any sense at all, and I feel say we need to. I don't know whether who they call this way they look into social workers. We get them for Nigeria.
We get social workers in Nigeria for Nigeria. No, not just Kai. We get social workers.
Kai go enter your house, tell you say you don't take care of your pikin.
Kai kick against indiscipline.
We get them, my darling. We get plenty of them, but they not they work.
But they don't work, right? Because I feel say if that those people feel they work now. All these stories wey we dey hear, chop and down, they feel they enter those homes. If they find pikin for road, catch am, go house. If they hear all this story, go that house, evaluate the brain of the woman whether she dey alright. If the man evaluate the way I dey alright. If two of them supposed to dey together, put them together. If they no fit stay together, put them apart. Make them learn how to live from as in evaluate themselves. So okay, una don dey okay now. Come together as family. See how una fit live together. Make the children. In fact, our children they suffer all these things. Children now they suffer the whole thing. Parents go just forget till they get children. We go get tomorrow. When I small, I remember when they sing, "We are the leaders of tomorrow." To today, we never see the leaders of tomorrow.
We're killing the leaders.
We see they kill the leaders. They go. They poison their brain. They make them they suffer. Imagine the first one we talk. The 12-year-old. The first one. The 12-year-old boy now. You no get childhood again. That one has.
No,
You
no,
don't
no,
forget.
wetin you do.
You don't. Who tells you no know wetin you
No,
do?
at a point, you become so used to
You go
it.
know.
No, at
And
a
it
point, you
becomes
become so
normal.
used to it and it becomes normal. I don't read stories of all those people. When you talk, say, now when I come day older, now I realize, say, she actually was molesting me. Because at the point,
I know people
you
around
just
me
come,
wey
they
go
used
tell you
to,
say they are
they used
aunties.
to. Now you can't even go to meet and say, let's come and do that.
Yeah.
Read stories like this, you go see them. At the point, it don't become like a daily thing to
Yes.
you. And you can't use less yourself.
I can't dey imagine this scenario. Those aunties for area will go say, my husband, like when you dey tell small pikin, my husband, bring am come to somebody been tell me story before we come on air. We dey talk about that. Then she tell me, say, she dey always tell the boy, say, my husband, my husband. The boy go dey run. Now the boy travel abroad, come back. Now she want say, I say, tell me my husband again. I'll go show you what your husband be.
Hey, well, the boy tell her.
The boy tell her.
Okay, he don't grow now. You understand that kind of thing? You don't put them for situation. Maybe now you don't come meet people way past you. So you go experiment that.
For me, they say the heart of man, they desperately wicked. And the Bible gets reason why they put it desperately before the wicked. For me, this man, no be case of say devil use him or spirit possess him.
People
or
are even supposed to kill them
this one,
immediately.
he just day wicked. He just day
Serious.
wicked. And now the reason why I say for the first story, why I say make the courts just divorce, they will not say court suppose they help them put together. Maybe they don't go court before and court say, okay, go back, stay together. And I ain't come poison picking. So.
The thing
That's
never
why I
go.
say maybe.
They'll tell you say they don't get money.
Maybe. So
When they look say court, no
go court
story.
with
you
it.
understand?
Long story.
So for me, I beg. I don't even get waiting to talk for this one.
But
I
seriously,
really
my
don't
own
get waiting
final
to
say
talk.
for the word, if marriage no let do, be boyfriend and girlfriend, no
Yeah.
need to marry. There's no point. Don't deceive yourself. Be boyfriend and girlfriend till you run old. You go answer to your God. Decide what you want now. No come bump picking kill him.
I tell
this
you.
guy should live another miserable 41 years for inside in life.
All right, yeah, and we don't actually put our mouth for inside them, but you know what, we go get one kajat gets after this break, we go go and put mouth inside the particular matter. So not go anywhere.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.